What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Rob Level here, and you already know what it is, Smart Rapper, so you're about to get smarter. Today we're going to talk about the 7 tricks, the 7 secrets, the 7 strategies and ways that you can learn the music industry faster. This is going to combine science with, well, you're going to get smarter here, alright? So pay attention to this because I'm really going to help you get smarter across your entire life in this video and teach you some stuff you probably didn't know. And also, if you ever wondered why watching my videos help you so much and why you retain so much more of the information, you're going to learn that in this video. Think about it like this. Have you ever read something about the music industry, watched a video, read an article, and you're like, man, this is really going to help me with my career. And then as soon as you go to apply it, you don't seem to remember much about what you thought you had learned. Now this is completely normal and it happens to 99% of artists. You feel like you're growing fast, but then when you go to apply this stuff, you realize that you're not. And your music career is very important to you, just like it is to me, right? And for that reason, you want to grow as fast as possible. And you know that in order to grow faster, you have to learn faster. You have to get the knowledge in and then also be able to apply the knowledge, right? So this video is going to help you with that. 70% faster. Watch. I should have made this one of the first videos on the channel. So how are you going to grow faster? What's going to help you with that? The answer is simple. We can go ahead and we can look at studies, and we can look at those studies and see what makes things stick to people's brains when it comes to music and music industry information so that you can actually apply that. Right now, imagine being able to grow your music career 50 to 70% faster because you'll actually be able to retain the information as well as apply the information that you learn. This is really interesting. Let's get into it. I'm Rob Level, the best rapper you know that's helping you grow. And this is Smart Rapper, the #1 source for upcoming rappers. And you're about to get smarter.
If you making money, I could put you on my team. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Talk that trash, I'll be back, but I'll be with my shooter. My finger scratched, don't want that, I drop by from the Uber. Dip and dash, hit the pad, burn like Freddy Krueger.
See, now, most people don't realize that the way they learn is different. You think that everybody might learn the same way, but we don't, and that's why you feel different. Some people may feel stupid, some people may not feel smart, but it's not that they're not smart, it's that they learn in different ways. And teachers don't teach us in the right way. You ever had that teacher just couldn't get across to you? It's because they are not capable of teaching you right. They have a way of teaching that works for these kids, but you're special. You learn different, okay? I was special. I was in special ed my whole life. I was in behavior disorder programs. I lived in homes. I was put in homes. Oh, this kid's stupid. He's never going to do nothing. Look now, bitch, right? It doesn't matter. People are going to call you stupid, stuff like that. What they don't understand, what they don't take into account is that certain people, certain kids, especially creative kids like us, we learn differently, okay? And that's why they try to put you into a behavior classroom where it's like special education, but it's not special education. It's just to separate you from the other kids. You don't learn any differently. The teachers they don't give you any more attention. They don't teach you in a different way. It's just another teacher who doesn't know how to freaking teach you properly because they haven't changed the way that education system has worked since it freaking started. That's why you don't retain, that's why you don't remember anything from fucking high school. So that gets me into this part. Some people learn faster reading. Some people learn faster watching video. Some people learn faster hearing audio. We all learn in different ways. So the question is, and you probably already know the answer to this question, which one of these ways helps you learn fastest? And you probably already know the answer to it. We're looking for the best way that works for your brain. So what I'm going to talk about right now is what's called the learning pyramid, which you may have never heard of. Now, this is widely attributed to the NTL Institute in Bethel, Maine. There's tons of studies been done on this stuff, okay? And you're really going to understand a lot more about yourself and a lot more about why certain things work for you right after this part right here. And I think it might actually be time to bring out the whiteboard for this. I wasn't going to do this, but I like the whiteboard. So this is the way that people learn. Now it turns out that you remember a certain percentage of information based on whatever way that you're being taught the information. And this is just like the way that it's delivered. There's other variables such as who the teacher is, if you respect the teacher, if you actually listen to the teacher, and the way that the teacher delivers it with examples, stuff like that. But right now we're just talking about the individual ways that you actually learn. First we have to start with the one that's the smallest on the scale, which is actually pretty insane seeing as how it's actually how most of us learn. And that is, number one, through college lectures, through class lectures, or the teacher teaching you directly in a classroom. You only retain about 5%, that's 1/20th of the information that you should actually be learning when they're actually teaching you. What a waste. Number two, from books, you only retain about 10% of the information. That's 1/10 of what you should be retaining. Why do you think that you hate reading books? Now, with audio visual, meaning apps or you watching videos like this, you tend to remember 20% of the information, which is already quadruple 1 and double number 2. This is another reason why YouTube or any type of video education is so much more valuable and people are learning at a faster rate than they did in school. Now, number 4, and this comes down to what I do a lot for you guys and why YouTube videos work for you as well, on top of the audio visual, but you actually watching a demonstration, you retain it even more. When you watch somebody demonstrate something, you actually retain that 30% of the time. And the reason being is because you're watching them actually do the task as opposed to talking about the task. When you watch somebody do it, our mirror neurons fire and you're able to mirror. This is evolution, guys. When you watch somebody else do it, when you see somebody, rubbing sticks together to start a fire, you then you're like, oh, I can do that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, that's how Neanderthalic gets stuff. But when you see somebody else do it, you retain the information easier. And that's why when I do lyric writing things or I do something else, I try to show you and I demonstrate. Like in all my courses, my songwriting course, it's a 20-hour course because I show you how to make over 20 songs in a day. And I go through and show you how to do everything step by step. But I do that with everything, including these videos, okay? Now, number 5, you retain 50% of information when you actually discuss information with other people. And this is because it's part of us being able to gossip. If it's something we're interested in, we actually really pay attention to the information. You're discussing it. They're giving it from their perspective. You're giving it from your perspective. And the information is then being explained from 2 different ways, right? You're trying to process it. You're able to ask questions in a group discussion and you can further process it. And therefore, you actually retain 50% of information like that. This is why if you talk about anything in hip hop, oh, this rapper just did this and, the latest information or stuff like that, and you talk about it with somebody else, and you not only learn more, but you retain it because you were discussing it and you cared about it. This is why in the Rapper's Shortcut, you're allowed to have conversations, full-out conversations with your manager. You have a question, you can discuss it with them, and you'll be able to retain the information more. That's why the manager's there. Now, you might hate this part, but unfortunately, it's actually really how it works. You retain 75% of the information. You want to guess how? Practicing what you learned. That's why I always tell you, practice immediately below the video. If we're on a writing video, I say do it right now because the moment you do it, you retain the information 75% better. Because think about it, if you're watching my videos, you retain about 20% or maybe a little more because you respect what I'm saying. And if I'm demonstrating for you how to do it like I do in writing videos, you'll retain about 30% of the information. But I know if you ain't practicing, you're probably not discussing it with nobody, right? And this is why you only learn about 30% of the information. But if you immediately go and practice whatever we talked about, you will retain the information. And then you get better and better and better at it. Then you're 100% retained. And you already know, if you leave one of my videos and you don't go practice like I tell you to, or you don't go write down notes or think about more information from a video, you say, oh, I'm gonna do that later. But do you ever go do it? No, so you only retain 30% of the information. If I tell you about something, take notes, but don't only take notes. In addition to the notes, go practice it for 5-10 minutes. That's not that long. If you really want to watch something and learn from it, simply put in a little bit of practice. So next time you need to use whatever information you have, you won't go, what did Rob say to do? I don't remember. And then you have to go back to the video anyways. What a waste of time. You're going to spend another 5-10 minutes doing it anyway, so you might as well watch the video then practice, because you're going to waste that same amount of time next time. Same time that you could have just learned it in. You got to think about that. Now the beautiful one. The one that helps you retain 90% of the information. Number 7. You will retain 90% of the information from whatever you had learned if you learn it to a degree where you can teach somebody else the information. Let me say that again. You will retain 90% of the information if you immediately teach someone else the information. We're not talking about group discussion. We're talking about you learn it and you're still processing it, and then you attempt to teach it to somebody else. And if you can properly teach it to somebody else, you actually know the information. Why do you guys think that every time I learn something, I always tell you, I just thought about this, I just learned this, and then I immediately teach you? Because while helping you and knowing that I have to teach you the information properly, I write a script, I write an article about it, and I process how to deliver the information properly to you. And when I do that, it's helping me remember the information. And if I need to remember something, I can always go back to my video and look at my information that I've already learned. This is also a reason why I knew when I made Smart Rapper, it was a good idea, because it was going to help me learn and grow. It also gave me a reason to go learn more information to be able to show you guys. I always have to stay ahead of you. Of course, I'm ahead of you in the music industry and I'm learning things anyways. This was another reason to excel and push myself to get better so that I could teach others, which is another very beautiful organic thing about Smart Rapper. To me and for you. So when you learn something from me, if you really want it to stick, go talk about it with another friend or another artist. So when you learn something from me from one of these videos, go talk to a producer about it. Go talk to a friend that's a rapper. Go talk to somebody about it. Discuss it with them. And learn as much as you can for the video, and then try to teach whatever you learn to them, because you'll be processing the information while trying to explain it, and then you'll learn, you'll retain it, and you'll grow faster. I'm telling you, at least 50% faster than anybody who doesn't do these things. You have to take these steps if you really want to be able to get where you want to be. Otherwise, you're going to be the person only retaining 20-30%. And what does it mean if you're retaining 30% and the other guys keeping up with 50, 70, 90%? Think about that. You're literally growing half as fast as this other person. And that's only if you're the person actually taking the time to watch these videos. Imagine how slow rappers are growing who don't watch any of these videos. You're already 20% to 30% ahead of anybody in the music industry not watching my videos. And if you're serious, you're 50, 70, 90% ahead. You're growing almost twice as fast. This is very valuable. This is what makes you, this is what puts you ahead of everybody else. And if you have a super team, you have a friend that you're working with, and you guys are discussing this, you're gonna grow, man, I'm telling you. Now that you know all the ways to learn, you can combine all of these ways in order to additionally learn the information. Like I told you in the beginning of this video, everybody's different. I don't retain anything really when I read, but when I listen to tons and tons and tons of audiobooks, and I learn way faster. When I watch videos, I learn, but to be honest, I feel like I actually learn faster from just the audio, honestly, because I just know myself. But what's beautiful about this is I use this entire process when building the Rapper Shortcut. Put it on the screen so you guys can see, and anybody who knows, if you're part of the Rapper Shortcut, comment below. This is gonna tell you, I apply all of these to the Rapper Shortcut to guarantee your fastest rate of success. It's the exact formula that I built into the framework of the Rapper Shortcut. I've taken all aspects of learning and applied them to every video inside of the Rapper Shortcut. So you're not only learning what you need to learn in your music career, you're also retaining the information faster so you can grow faster. So it's not just the information, it's a hyper advanced accelerated version of you actually learning. I can't do what I do in those videos for all these videos because it took a lot of time to write all the text, convert them into beautifully visually appealing books that are stimulating, and then make those videos, and then oh, it just took so much time to do all that stuff. So look at this video of me teaching you in the Rapper Shortcut and why I do it like this. We built beautifully designed ebooks with numerous font sizes, pictures, colors, and creative design to stimulate creativity and logical retention when you watch every single video. I mean, look at the fonts, look at how it changes shapes and sizes. Look at the colors, look how beautiful that looks. But I actually sit there with you and I deliver the information on video to you while reading the actual information and explain it to you further than just the words that are on the screen. That's what's crazy. So you get the audio retention from me talking to you plus extra explanations, okay? You get the 20% visual retention from me on the screen with you. You get the 10% reading retention if you're reading along with it. And your mind is stimulated by the design of the books, which took forever to build for this, by the way, which also increases the overall learning experience. So in the future, I'm also gonna have custom drawings being drawn about the exact matter being spoken about so that it sticks even more. I'm gonna put that, you see the space bottom right of every video? I left that open because when I can, because it's gonna cost me a lot of money to get somebody to go in there and actually hand draw. So it's gonna be drawing, so your brain is gonna remember a picture for every single thing. You're gonna retain 100%, I'm telling you. I made this to help every artist grow as fast as possible in the exact order. I did not play games when I did this, and you can ask anybody who's already taken the Rapper Shortcut. It will blow your damn head off, I'm telling you. I'll put a link below for it, and you can also get the step-by-step exact guide of what to do every single week, the calendar, right? Talking about this calendar over here, it's the path to success. It's a path to success, guys. And month 1, you learn all this stuff, rap skills. Year 1, basics, time management, fan base building, artist name, branding, image, wardrobe. Month 2, we're talking about home studio stuff, microphone confidence, 15-minute formula for gaining fans that you do every day, installing Pro Tools, finding your rap voice, increasing your vocal quality, and upping your exposure to preparation for marketing. Month 3, we're talking about how to make hooks, right? Songwriting stuff. You're making hits and deciding on the hits. Okay, wordplay, punchlines, beat choices, taxes, write-offs, business, and it just goes on. And it just goes on. You get all this in the Rapper Shortcut. There's 50 courses in here, guys, in the exact order to learn them. Links are below for this. I built it based on this. Ain't nobody want to do this. You can go take classes at Berkeley and go teach shit compared to this. On God. For real. On top of that, according to every book that I've read about how people learn, you learn information after you already understand a basic foundation of other information, because you have this pool of knowledge about the basics of how something works. Then when you go to the advanced section, you can thoroughly understand the more advanced things because you understand how the basics are structured and how the basics work. Like, you can't do multiplication unless you learn addition and subtraction first, correct? You see what I'm saying? And that's how the brain works, and that's why it's taught in that order. That's the exact same way that I structure the Rapper Shortcut. So you learn information in an order to where when you get to the information, the other information that you might be trying to learn too early, you already understand the information so you can further learn it faster. Come on. I'm trying to... The Rapper Shortcut, man. It's not only a shortcut for you getting to your career success, it's a shortcut for the shortcut of learning the information. This is how serious and vital this was. This is why this took so long and so much money for me to put together. Just so you guys know, anybody who goes and get this, your training, let's say you bought it in like June 15th, your training, because you bought it June 15th, your training and all the classes start for you July 1st. It starts the next month. So you have time to prepare, time to get ready, time to be excited. And I did that on purpose. So anybody that gets it, it's like, okay, cool, all right. You don't have to be overwhelmed by like, oh, I start today. No, you get it, and then you start on the 1st of the next month. It's beautifully designed. It comes with a manager. You get everything. On top of that, there's payment plans. So there's no excuses, guys. There's no excuses. You want to grow your music career? Rapper Shortcut. Links are below. Also, if you want to get the free calendar, you want to check out the calendar, just for checking out the Rapper Shortcut, I give you the calendar for free. rappershortcut.com/go. All right, guys, hit me with a subscribe, hit me with a like, go learn some information. I got your back on this stuff, okay? Go learn all this stuff, go learn all the info, get everything in there, take over the world, hit subscribe for me, hit like, leave me a comment below. Did this teach you something? I'm sure it did, all right? And I got your back. 3 new videos a week on here. My music's exploding. I consistently keep over 50,000 monthly listeners on my Spotify. I got new singles releasing like crazy. Everything's going. I'm in all the algorithms. Let's take over. Follow me, right? At Rob_level and at Smart Rapper. 3 new videos a week on there as well, all different content. Guys, it's grind time. Let's go. I don't stop, okay? Let's get it. All the links are in the description. Keep hustling, gang. I don't stop. I'll see you at the top.
If you making money, I could put you on my team. Yeah, I got that hustle and maneuver. Talk that trash, I'll be back, but I'll be with my shooter. My fingers scratched, don't want that. I drop by from the Uber. Dip and dash, hit the pad, burn like Freddy Krueger.